Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Summer has come to an end. It's sad to say. I hate to see it go, but my favorite season is approaching. Well, it is here, which is fall. And this fall season, I will be starting my fall garden with the transplant from my local seed and nursery. I think it's a win-win for me. My local seed and nursery has pretty good prices. Like for a 36 flat tray, you get for $20, and I just think that is so good. It's a win for me, it's a win for them. I get to support them and give back to them, and I get a good deal. I get 6 plants for around $3 and some change, versus going to a big box store where you get 1 plant for $6. So yeah, definitely if you have a local cedar nursery or local garden center, I suggest that you check them out before you head to a big box store where the name brand companies are selling 1 transplant for $6. So yeah, I would highly suggest just checking out your local cedar nursery, because 9 times out of 10 they are going to have the better deal for you, and you are also just giving back to the community and helping support them. And most of the time you will be able to find certain plants that you might not find at your local big box stores. Picked up these trays to bottom feed my transplants, because at this time it was still pretty hot and I wanted to make sure they would keep getting watered before I put them directly into the bins in the soil in the garden. So just to keep them hydrated, I did go ahead and just pick up a couple of these from my local seed nursery as well. They're about $2. So I put them underneath the transplants so we can bottom water them from the bottom up. Here I am just trimming up the yellow leaves to remove any dead leaves from sucking up the nutrients from the new growth that's trying to come in, or the new growth that's already there and existing. Just go ahead and chop off those leaves and be good to go. For watching. It has been about 4 weeks since I have transplanted all these transplants into the garden. And you guys, if you guys would like to see an update on how the fall garden is growing, then just check out the video after this one. Just stay tuned. Most of all, I hope this has inspired someone to go out and sow a seed. I highly suggest you do so, especially nowadays where everything is being pumped up with not so healthy chemicals and lab-made food. All it takes is one little seed to start a food forest You may not know how or where, but there are so many communities and groups that can, help you learn. You just take what resonates with you and you sow that seed and pass it on to the next person. I know that is how we grow in life in general. So wherever you see fit to grow your seed, whether it's indoor, outdoor, wherever you see fit to grow it. All right, you guys. Bye.